Welcome to the elevators at the Hobby Airport parking garage in Houston, Texas. Look what we got here today.
Hello.
We got SkyVader.
Hello.
And the Elevator Geek. Yep. This is our elevator trio that we're doing today. These are Otis Gen 2. This is going to be a fun one. Oh, here's the button right here. Send it to wherever. I don't know if I tell you guys, but I finally get to meet Lee today. Where do you want to go?
Anywhere. You want? We've got the floor again if you want.
I like to switch elevator cars.
Okay.
Because usually what I do in my videos is whenever time fits, I just get like different elevator cars. Like if there's like 2 elevator cars, I'll like get both of them.
Okay.
It's a similar cab.
No, they all look the same.
Can we end the video up on the 4th floor? Because I see a sign that says that goes to the terminal.
Yeah, we can end at 4.
Yeah, it's a lot safer than having to cross the street all the time.
Yeah. Oh, I'd rather take the Sky Bridge too.
Yeah, let's do that. There's like so many elevators here.
Yeah, about the same amount as Love Field, I would say.
All right, here we are at 4. All right, and that was my very first meetup with Lee the Elevator.